Minus 4.5. I'm definitely picking something with that. I think I would have bought it 4.5.
Oh, look at the post office. Hee hee. Look at how much snow my ass gotta walk in. Oh Lord, this person don't. Oh, thank you. We gotta clean our trucks. Oh, look at it. My truck is hidden around here. Gotta walk through this little path. Get around here to get to my truck. Look at this. These are my footprints. Oh, look at them. Go to my truck. So we get a plow. And this thing, I don't know what this is. This is supposed to be a plow truck or plow truck, whatever the fuck it is. But look at this. We can't get the fuck out. The truck can't even get the snow out. It's lunchtime. What y'all think? It's lunchtime. Who thinks it's lunchtime? Hey, who thinks it's lunchtime? Say lunchtime, everybody. I ain't moving shit.